Learning Thai money. The Thai baht is Thailand's currency, symbolized by the baht sign. In this video, we will learn about its history, tips for exchanging Thai baht, and how we use money in Thailand. Also, many useful sentences about money that can help you when you travel or spend your time in Thailand. History. The origins of the Thai baht date back to the era of the Kingdom of Siam, the former name of Thailand. At the time, currencies took the form of small silver pans. It was not until 1860, under King Rama IV, that the first coins and banknotes was introduced in Thailand. 1940, 1 year after the country changed its name to Thailand, from then on, the currency became known as the Thai baht. Thai banknotes and coins feature design highlighted by the regional monarch portraits, along with the national landmarks and iconic landscapes. For example, Thai coins display the image of King Rama IX on the front and the Buddhist temple on the reverse. Tips for exchanging Thai baht. There are enough advantages to having cash in your pocket when you first arrive. If you're only changing up for the taxi fare from the airport to your hotel, something to eat, I personally suggest you exchange at Super Rich. We have exchange encounters at a number of locations around Bangkok, including shopping centres and Sky train stations. Also, please do not forget to bring your passport with you. You'll need it at the counter.
Key Superist Location: Bangkok and Pattaya. Head Office: Ratchadamri Road, near BTS Chitlom. Usually open 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Airport: Suvarnabhumi Airport Basement, near Airport Rail Link. BTS Station: Chitlom Exit 1, Asok Exit 1. Shopping Center: Superage Thailand Branch are at Central World, first floor. MBK Center, third floor. Platinum Fashion Mall, first floor. Central Rama 2, Central Rat Pao, and Terminal 21 Asok, Rama 3. Pattaya Center, Pattaya, first floor.
But please be careful, the banknotes should not have any tears or even the slightest damage. How to use money. The best way to spend money in Thailand is by using a combination of cash for daily transactions, for street food, markets and transport. Carry small notes as vendors rarely have change for 1,000 bahts. Also, a 0FX free travel card is a great choice like Rise or WeVote for hotels and upscale shopping.
Thai ATM charge a flat fee of 220 to 300 baht, $6 to $8 plus per withdrawal. To avoid hidden conversion fee, always select without conversions or decline the conversion rate offer to let your home bank perform the currency conversion. Withdraw when large amount up to 30,000 baht, reduce the fee percentage. Best option: use yellow ATM, Krung Si Bank, which often allow large withdrawals up to 30,000 baht to save on overall fees.
Thai baht notes. 20 baht is green, 50 baht is blue, 100 baht is red, 500 baht is purple, 1,000 baht is brown. Thai baht coins. 1 stong is silver, 5 stong is silver, 10 stong is silver, 25 stong is bronze, 50 stong is bronze, 1 baht is silver, 2 baht is gold, 5 baht is silver, and 10 baht is a mixture of gold and silver. That's a useful rule of thumb for traveling in Thailand. 20 and 50 Thai bahts. Small, easiest for taxis, street food, drinks, tips, and small purchases. 100 Thai bahts, medium idea for most meals, marketing and everyday shopping. 500 and 1,000 Thai bahts, large for better hotels, larger shops or bigger purchases. Small vendors may struggle to give change.
Tip: keep plenty of 20s, 50s, and 100s in your wallets, and try not to hand a street vendor a 1,000 baht note for small purchase. Break large notes. 7-Eleven, supermarkets, and large shops are usually convenient place to get change when you need it.
Keep some cash separate. Don't carry your entire travel budget in one wallet. Keep it in an emergency reserve somewhere secure. Coins are useful. Keep 1, 2, and 5 and 10 Thai bahts coins for small purchases, transport, and certain machines. Tipping is a really appreciated thing for good service, but isn't generally mandatory in restaurants. Check whenever a 10% service charge has already been added. Taxis. Having a small note makes paying much easier, especially for short rides. Check your change, particularly at busy markets or tourist areas. It is sensible to count your change before moving away. Simple strategies. Start each day with roughly 500 and 1,000 Thai bahts mixed in denominations, rather than carrying only 500 and 1,000 notes. Tuk-tuk tips in Thailand. Agree on a price first. Ask how much. Negotiate the price. The first price may be high. Use smaller notes, 20, 50, and 100 Thai bahts. Watch out for cheap rides. They may take you to shops. Check out Google Maps so you know where you're going. Check Grab taxi prices to compare. Tipping is not required. You can round up if you want. Ask if the price is full for the whole tuk-tuk. Easy rule. Agree on the price before you get in.
Here an easy tuk-tuk conversation you can use in Thailand. How much to the hotel? ไปโรงแรมเท่าไหร่คะ 300 baht 300 baht. Is it too pricey? Can it be 150 baht? แพงไป 150 บาทได้ไหม โอเค 150 บาท ตกลงครับ 150 บาท Useful conversation about money. I would like to exchange my US dollar for Thai baht. ฉันต้องการแลกเงินดอลลาร์สหรัฐเป็นเงินบาทไทย How much would you like to exchange? คุณต้องการแลกเงินจำนวนเท่าไหร่คะ I want to change $1,000. ฉันต้องการแลกเงิน 1,000 ดอลลาร์ Could you please show me your passports? ขอดูหนังสือเดินทางของคุณหน่อยได้ไหมคะ Sure ได้เลย Thank you. Today rate is $1 to 0.85 baht. ขอบคุณค่ะ อัตราแลกเปลี่ยนวันนี้$1ต่อ 0.85 บาท
I'll like small bills, please. I'll like 20s and 100s.
ขอเป็นแบงค์ย่อยครับ เช่น ใบละ 20 กับ 100 I would like a bottle of water please ขอน้ำเปล่าขวดหนึ่งครับ 20 บาท 20 บาท Example if you pay with 50 baht note you will get 30 baht change I would like to order a chicken sandwich please สั่งแซนด์วิชไก่ครับ That will be 80 baht ทั้งหมด 80 บาทค่ะ Example if you pay with 100 baht note you will get 20 baht change Good morning I would like a coffee and a piece of cake please สวัสดีตอนเช้า ขอสั่งกาแฟกับเค้ก1 ชิ้นนะคะ The total is 200 baht ทั้งหมด 200 บาทค่ะ Example if you pay with 500 baht note you will get 3 of 100 baht change I would like to buy this watch please อยากซื้อนาฬิกาเรือนนี้ครับ The price is 2,500 baht ราคา 2,500 บาท For example if you pay with 3 of 1,000 baht note you will get 500 baht note change Do you have change for 500มีเงินทอนสำหรับแบงค์500ไหมคะ No I don't ไม่มีครับ Here is 200 baht keep the change นี่เงิน200 บาทไม่ต้องทอนค่ะ To pay a taxi driver use cash or small bill like 20, 50 or 100 baht note as driver rarely have a change for 500 or 1000 baht note. Always check that the meter is running at the end of the trip.
Useful money phrases in Thailand. Asking the price. How much?
เท่าไหร่ครับ เท่าไหร่คะ
How much is this?
อันนี้เท่าไหร่ครับ อันนี้เท่าไหร่คะ
Pay in. Can I pay with card?
จ่ายบัตรได้ไหมครับ จ่ายบัตรได้ไหมคะ
Cash only.
เงินสดอย่างเดียวใช่ไหมครับ เงินสดอย่างเดียวใช่ไหมคะ
Negotiating. Too expensive?
แพงไป
Can we do cheaper?
ลดได้ไหมครับ ลดได้ไหมคะ
Pay by cash. Here you go.
นี่ครับ นี่ค่ะ
Keep the change.
ไม่ต้องทอนครับ ไม่ต้องทอนค่ะ
I need to change.
ขอเงินทอนครับ ขอเงินทอนค่ะ
Checking. Is this the final price?
ราคาสุดท้ายไหมครับ ราคาสุดท้ายใช่ไหมคะ
Is this a service charge?
มีค่าบริการไหมครับ มีค่าบริการไหมคะ
Here's some more easy money phrases that are useful in Thailand. Do you have the change?
มีเงินทอนไหมครับ มีเงินทอนไหมคะ
I only have 1,000 baht notes.
ผมมีแต่แบงค์พันครับ ฉันมีแต่แบงค์พันค่ะ
Can you break this?
แลกแบงค์นี้ได้ไหมครับ แลกแบงค์นี้ได้ไหมคะ
I need smaller notes.
ขอแบงค์ย่อยได้ไหมครับ ขอแบงค์ย่อยได้ไหมคะ
Do you accept cash?
รับเงินสดไหมครับ รับเงินสดไหมคะ
Do you accept Visa?
รับวีซ่าไหมครับ รับวีซ่าไหมคะ
Can I pay with my phone?
จ่ายด้วยมือถือได้ไหมครับ จ่ายด้วยมือถือได้ไหมคะ
Where can I exchange money?
แลกเงินได้ที่ไหนครับ แลกเงินได้ที่ไหนคะ
Can I get a receipt?
ขอใบเสร็จได้ไหมครับ ขอใบเสร็จได้ไหมคะ Useful vocabulary
Want.
ต้องการ
To exchange.
แลก
To change.
เปลี่ยน
To currency.
กุลเงิน
amount,
จำนวน
how much,
เท่าไหร่
passport,
หนังสือเดินทาง
a little bit,
หน่อย
sure,
ได้เลย
rate,
อัตรา
small bills,
แบงค์ย่อย
too expensive,
แพงไป
such,
เช่น
receipt,
ใบเสร็จ
to order.
สั่ง
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the both of us. Like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next ones. Thank you for all your support.